Hi guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is how to cook KFC chicken. Kindly watch till the end and subscribe. Let's begin. Ingredients: chicken pieces, 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, baking powder, salt, mixed spices, Wash clean your chicken pieces. In a bowl, add in your chicken. Add all your spices of choice and salt. Mix them all together. Deep in the chicken pieces to your egg mixture one by one. In another bowl with flour, deep in the chicken pieces and cover it with flour. Heat some cooking oil in medium heat. Slowly drop in your chicken pieces, covered with flour into the oil. Allow them to cook till crispy. Once your KFC crispy chicken is ready, enjoy with some sauces. Kindly remember to subscribe. See you again. Bye.